krom ha de wo twen na be ma be so pe ti be ma ne be so pa na je say ne I say we dey me feeling so wa be ka de ne fa be wo so na say click ama me na me na me kono entina no pay o se me misa eti for say yes say obeka bibi e de a kire bra ne say bra wadaroma medo me filu wo ye me fe mani jo ho say dey locally ye beka no yes obeka bibi sa e de a kire no ana say on chain na onye actions bi fan kire na obeka say action speaks louder than words nti o ma ne actions no and do na bra ne who say wo filu no ana say it doesn't matter to anamoko ka kire ne say open no no ka say na me kwa na me mpewo na be pay me ene me ma ba na wo feeling no wa well I don't know ebia obi o be fa ne live ka say oh wow na wo be nya say oba be ka kire so pewo eno kire say sa odo no obe so mu ye wo mu nkwam ya de mu obe so mu ye because onu abepa one de obe cherish for the rest of the life what I say and I say Diane is a no-go area. Well, really sound common anope ewo jumedi so. Yeah, faster and farmer odi for a win for but Samson kwekwe eboa or Jape krum papa so this she biara na dwene mo kano oye ne no ma basa mo browa enyanka e crown for papa si na yes no tie ye ntutu meka na yemra Jape krum ni bipie mo Jape krum a oso de na duro be kan ma yaresa etimi ayedia enti no tutumike napo yenuma yedidi mai basa yenuma entalishi mai basa yenuma yesunu mai basa yenuma baby ebetina mpo no sabi aye bisibisi one time e de amaye no oso no de adoma chede no oba de nyankopon e de ache no enti no wodi a wohia ne se obedu Japeko so obetimi adu ho nko a eno na papa se o hwe enti wo so du ho na omo a e wo baby a o wo bia na number ne da screen no so no fa na wone no entwetwe nkomo empo ebi a make say Japeko mu ntimi nko na mum no e wo so oba na obedom a so aye krado so problem no ehia se wo se baby a wo no oba wo so beba ma be ne sa e de amawo e wo baby a o wo bia nti for d4 awimfo ba Samson kwaku ye boa sise a e wo ahomatofo na e da screen no so no ya fasda enfama Nisa professional painting wo mo bo adwuma wo mo adwuma yo efe wo mo nsan wo adwuma kama wo mo painting ma otimu se you etiapo wo mo yiye wo decoration ma otimu se decoration de etiapo sebie son sebie nyaado me pa chawada se painting po na wa wo hunu de be painting fi ho no ma Nisa e be recommend bi ediama na wo use so a ho na bo se painting ye kama eni dan ko eni dan color kama eni da what I say and then be on what to say this paint is amazing very very amazing you will paint the painted the bedroom hall kitchen washroom obi o ha paint bia na o dia paint no Debbie and you paint bia na was with the paint with there you paint bia the see paint colors I want to so when you're choosing colors you should be very careful so if you don't even know the color you should choose what they are say obe free sack won't be choose be edge amount ama bibia I come on omo kuma say ahojo atinga junction here what they answer be from empo say your ma won titie e wo paint adwuma mu no wo ma crowd say won be ne sa ede amount e wo bibia o ebia wow omo number so na the screen so no me see pe bibi yo de bia me ka we video say don't waste your time pe bibi yo if so what if akwa you say what wa de so enti pe bibi yo say ya e wo baby a wo wow anopai adwumakomi nu we e na o magibre e de o musika aso yasene e ma ye di dwumaje ebro ma me twa me ho sima me ba ye beto aso me twa me ho just 1 minute never sisia stay with us
preview
Koowaa Koowaa TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Preview. Preview.
Koowaa TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Preview.
Live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Some Darkos Initiative, Some Darkos TV, so you stream it live, into what they are say, subscribe to your channel, now I like your page, now I comment, now I share, now I fulfill, so any be I share, into like your page, now comment, now share, now will be any be and share. And I don't pay, tell them they can, lady bi ode na asam about sister Diane Badaroma me hu abranti bi abranti fe brand no wumi a o chia me bia metimu se bra yi me feeling no ho ya me fe me nya onire me ni se god o bi dia Auntie Diane I stand to be corrected but me pe no me hu se na me sinka enche bra ne se me pe no if you say e bia na makwa akopɛ no na bia na e bia wanfi me ananse bia na kwete say that sem na mkopɛ no nti me hu ni amenye but manage no ho nti menya den your society no so no ye Ghana Africa you krom ha de bibia mu no ye na ye twɛn ema emema ebesi yepe na we de aha me koka ebe ye bibia o because no ba nso de okopɛ be ma ye den me hu ni amenye enti bi seti for say right say metimi akoka chebra yi say me do no ana say is a no go area minyi mani kra na mensa me baby me so me pe no an sure ko fa girl na say muso ni o baby na ma e ba ha me kra I'm wow like seriously genuine komo me papa Prophet Martin e wadan kwa mi chiao osofo sasra kusra da mi chiao papa pam way mache baby a obi a yakopon kan ho mo amhwe wo internet so no obo ade yakopon onka mo ho na onye makoma asade na enfama mo if we do amankwa bo Steve even on day good morning to you baby a obi a brakweku mi chiao me nte wonka me nim baby akɔhye and say me ma message am nte wonka I don't know next no me chiao oh baby a obi a no monto ne kra e ma me se me chiao no me te ne nka achepa wow anopai oboase for mi chicha mo be kwai for mi chicha mo baby ati me nka fi bia no kela kuma se branche hene dani boy oboase kodwa sempa furniture works wo adum wo hwe wo de message ba ye da se anopai ye chiao 2 p.m. e wa Asante Mampo se wa boerem ye chia papa Regan ye chia munyina me papa o muni valley munyinara ye chia mo wate fati wonima fati oba show yi so enti mi chia e wo baby a o bi NDC fati mi chia jutu e wo baby a o bi a nyakopon onka onko bi fe ya se munyinara oba de nyakopon onyama kuma asade emfama mo onto mo nkwanem na omwamo na de bia no sene amodo show yi na de bia mo hwe yakopon ohira mo mi so azonze mama mo no ko se yire benu nyamle ogira be kan mo bia be ne Koowaa TV me amochi home TV moti echi home TV ana echi Koowaa TV are all the same thing moti eda wase ke mo bia eni aya well go betimi afre 0202 668461 0202 668461 borem eye sese bi eson se bi enya ado ye nua ba ya oso hu abranti a ne ho ye ne fe wotimu nse odo no onya one ne betina ba brand nse ne peda nti ene den so be bi na no aka che brand nse brand me pacho middle o se ene den because when say ye society no ye yenye saade no ye twen na mema abesi epe nti e den na ono mum na onko se be me yipe nanso no aso nya ko be ne sa enkrofo be kan ti no ana bia na bra na aka ada nya ono abepe me ma bepe o ye mani bi wasa no moti be bi o ha be hu ne fe be hu ni se o ne ni ate ebia let me let him know say I dey love him At the end of the day, no one shot about Bonty. The other cannot see how do we. What about them? When no home, Bebre Sebi. Oh, feel good in pussy. Wow, Sebi Tina, Lady Abbey. It be so on so. Then consist out. Acquire Bibi Uncle Peno, and I say, Union. From the in common 0202668461. 0202668461. BB says that Diane, tell the lady, tell the lady not to go, but you should allow the guy to, come forward first. If not, the guy will say that she is cheap. Oh, really? And to BB or Baby Power because we're cheap. That will call on the line 0202668461. 0202668461. Frame na jinu komo emfa ho sesebio oba wonso hu be ma na wani jinu ho na be ka chense wani jinu emfa ho ana emfa ho e news metia na mehu na ma be pewa. Hello, good morning caller.
Hello, good morning. Oba Hofe, Oba Patayan.
Adam Kwame pa umpo mo ti say.
Oh, yes, you know, Mumpai, no, yeah, but I thought, no, yeah,
Nyakopada Roma anope mi ho ye pa.
Oba Hofe, the American say, it will be a senior baby. Knowledge, a dear boy. You want a papa and you want a bonnet. In a Bible, called a lack of knowledge, my people perish. It's a soft what to be in the small poor say, when you're suffer. When you share the all over the world, you share the baby, but from the sharing of you. Katana folk could be a cuckoo. So, you never born my share, you implement a boy. Again, say, Oba, Obama, or Perno, not Beman to me, can all cast or penal. I'm sorry. So that the only woman, if I come in, you much me say, you remember both more margin of hope. So say, when I be seen it, when I be feminine, until the day I can say, how to choose is important. There can be a December spirit, Beman, who will be better, but now come not to me, and what the same. And it's soon here. I don't want one nephew because we say, yeah, I said, yeah, if you said it was standard, make 10 or 10, when we answer, but what to me count have you already did nothing. So when it is our banner with me, yeah, and I can't also see a big remove, sign, no money, maybe or bet you say what you true visa on that. No, what's about there? Lady Pow. So, it will be an but yeah, not the woman, but Yensia, but what will be Bracket, Mamma be Tana Mamma do Sacre Ma. Because I'm community all easy.
Hey, but you come had the air and a baby who about bits for whom Beman also me pel, me feel you. Why no cry? Papa, I need you. They cannot quite canna. Obeka say action speaks louder than words. Hello, caller. Good morning.
Pastor, good morning. Diana Pomo.
Nyakopa do mira me when you now swear.
Boko, one for Papa, we pan your mission now. We have a Southwest year.
So, Miss Midasipa, Papa, it's you.
Within the Kwame Godwin, because every book was
You, it's you are not pay. Kwame.
Pastor, Obara, the at the sort of can be featured on the old Oba, the man at the same can be featured because the man in Obi also an also pack and be alone to Minka until Obama can did this be a bet to my year. Until Ghana, I tell you, Sayana to one a cut of them and make your bed, the man and crown of Felagia. To also the Nano Cadia. No, shut them an idea. None idea. No, a while.
Okay.
And I probably have put one one.
I went to something before coming here.
And Sebia son, Sebia Yard was over and walk and say, they are not memory be you know. Bacako can. Or I say, hello, good morning.
9.
Hello, MCR4, you're talking is here. Hello, good morning.
5-1.
Hello.
I'm calling you so that my number will be there.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Over
What aroma asante ho ye de?
Yeah, the more yeah, also yeah.
Nyakopa daroma mesu ho ye pa yenti we.
Yes. That's a bobo. I where they yeah, that woman. Before you buy BBI, you pop like come on. Oh, man, number. No, I say, what is the message? No. What is the message? What is the message? That message video. So simple,
Okay.
so Obama, my man,
Okay.
no, one person message, that many video on one go say. You don't know on one, a different more. I don't know what the number to let the idea is simple.
Okay. Namisha Papa Asante. Also bet me a phrase 0202668461. Yeah, calls baby, you be na chief honorable son. That's how I call him. What's that say? Hello, good morning. I'm Manakwaba. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Papa Diane.
Hey,
Diana, come to say,
Nyakupa Dumediana ba.
there's a dinner of Masum, I can't be quiet. Diane, penny possible mamma and Sam, the Mamma Chia of a punina, no tea punina. Not that I am sure to it. Some consul of million and Cambo million and after the Maturian for farming. So I think some other. I like to kill up Matthew. And if the car my hand, I was there could you with you be when I was turning and after what to them, come down tomorrow. Now, and I don't find Papa and I go to constitution of the Media Obo. And now we talk to now the man among it's not a set up for some more. Then I'm not a sister. That I can't make any answer, Diane. And the only thing I say, this is proving that I open them. Not that I went to your car, while I was a baby. Then I make us a friend. Then I put it down. It's down for my one and a man, the other one. I hope they'll bear my head to the demo. Let me about 1 hour. That's not but it's another open and the man and the snack and some to open. Your card left the name enough to do everything of Peno. Okay, them are catching on and yet I say you could die. And you could remember what said good work. I wouldn't answer about it in the power of 10 hours. And then could never say, Obama is the man so bad. And you your man, I say, and your ban and one or so. Obama, when you got off there, look at them, I catch it every day. My catching that is for baby, there's go. Dana for you, not what you're up, you not do it in land. Can be at okay, Obama. Then my catcher now on top. And that's it.
I met my number. Me greedy Dr. Bernard Santin Taya now I
02668461. Be part of the conversation. MCR4. Yes, Ramo. 0202668461. One so ubetime afre. Eye no pe minim de MCR4 no. Kasa ni nyina gu mu ha o. Muhe yo microphone mu dundum bi. Nyesa de mu kan nyina wa ha. Ma ye mo san ya mo ntia ma kan TV no so mawie. So mo hwe camera. 0202668461. Anyway, also be part of the conversation. 33 minutes after 6. And you know, also bright. Yeah, say obey, say be a song, say be a yado, or pebe me. Na, you know, or baby, I know, I catch and say, or don't know, and I say, it's not proper. One can announce, one chain, say, Bemanakasa, everything. Eddie, your society, no, and you'll be an a say be a song, say be a yard, and any view. You'll be a crown or tenny book. No be an attend. Will be ha. We yan a sign say I know who your person. Will be a yen say I know who said, will be also this will be one on a come boom and sana what it. Sir, what I say, you'll be an nenia to be on your guy. Will be to me dress if out to or a guy. No, so appearance in our guy, but inwardly no on guy in an inti. But what I say, no bar for fair. Sebio, no aqua probi. Bema no krawa beka wuni wa bepe mi o wa bepe mi o wo so wo pe mi o wo sister you. Look at that. Obe feel big but the nani ate no we feel so happy. So, oh wow, this in him no, we feel big. So wow, and you mad sweaty, and you don't know a bear come up. What I say, but baby, name is up. And I am the mamma no, ye be more ding. Obeka say, found chichino, yakshin be testing. Obi crab back testing or no, I could throw be. The won't she message be a Diane, dear brain, or so pay me. Hey, come on with a morning show who is not so pay me. Then come in a chief Elizabeth Nahe. Now, I must send in a message. Chief and patch on where me femedo. Me tell pa. Na sebi Mr. Miko that say do. Neninte ya. And KBA. Or say be uncle do and life ma. Or better say, oh, I'm so occupied. I do something. You be me baby. And no crown no minimum beer. Lady be a beside channel. Man, ne ni ye ni aba. Nti woni man ne ko ba bia na wa frɛ no no and then I'll say I don't feel bad, okay? I'm so happy. I wish I could have you, but unfortunately me mfa me you know. Nti wo be me bibia woni bibi man no onte Ghana man ne kwa abrochi wa be fa girl no e de ne kwa abrochi apa adwuma man wa abrochi e ma ne ye man ne yere ne te ne ma wa bo lady no I bet fun no crab trust. Let me do this. Provide which much I'll pay ticket there. Me make sure say made me papers. Baba wow. What it? Now also waba. The why no me see so. Obedi an can tell me to pay me that. Just as a we see what ready. And a man no crab which man na worry on any rain the most. Oh, you love me, but I'm married. I wish I could have you. You're so beautiful, but unfortunately, what a wow. Man no boy girl. I must have fun no crab which in London. Nanso nka me no me no a ka de be chinchinya dan so pemi o lady wa be simi po sebi kura system enu nti ope okra na omo awo no hokra akara no atu otwen said you no afiri no no abetu anamo no abeka a kire no ma beka kire manager bi se me pe no ana papa sam da ku so yeso cute na me nim se ko ware ya o ware o o yere wo ma na maka se papa me feel I said I was me person can anything. No, I won't. Nka. To me the matter baby me hwa that you them question the no abeba forward that. Na nke jama for my. Me fa call bi if you honorable in the what na say. Sana me friend chief in this and on have in this and friend chief in this adina. He's so humble and of course so honorable and Timishana na me nyaji or Ashanti Regional Communication team member for the new patriotic party amanyoko kesie MVP around Koowaa.
Yenu da.
Efie boko.
Nyankopon adum efie boko. Ya da Nyankopon ase. It couldn't have been a better time to thank the Almighty God than this time.
Absolutely.
Onim say ye ko ye pra. Trying to let Ghanaians understand the policies of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Sure.
Na enumunu nyomo pi etasi. Onim say e shen ena edi corals. Any various areas na ye kono so ni nyina Nyankopon protect ye. Nyankopon hwe so. Nti say yetimi enya kon akonya abetena radio so see anase TV so say e wo say yedda Nyankopon ase even though yedda na ase wo hukum but udana ase wo in public na uyi na ye pa in public na e che say so nia erade eye ama wo no da bia ti yedda Nyankopon ase say at least so far yenti bibi boni bia throughout our campaign ye koso a ye dan onim the whole MPP party, the soul of the party ni nyina ewo group.
Wow.
Yes. Nia akane Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Ena oba bekayensa somewhere on the 3rd Saturday and Sunday.
Wow.
Na ya started. Onim we are going to be in the Ashanti region for some number of weeks.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Some number of weeks.
And
you know, you'll be here for long.
Ye pepa and trona omubeka atuponi yinara. All the presidential candidates are omunim say 1% krampo munyepi. Nemu mu adweye omu say ahanamu na ye stronghold to omumra no omumesei. Ahanamu. ye make sure say in some now omu keka ye ni nyinara ye di nokre no aba be kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ nkofo mo sa sanka ye tie nkofo we anka omu de yesika bedwa nanka nti Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia obaba be kayansa e wo ha the party chairman wo ha the general secretary Yewra we salute you. Justin Frimpong Kodia is in town. Yes. All the executives ewo kumha. Na dan onim mi pacho ma mi fa akunwa we na minchia Dr. Ben Asante Ghana Gas. In fact, onim since miminim nkofo mu beye CEOs and ministers. I'm saying it in public because I'm not afraid that I'll be very, very fair and plain to near Ossi said was a bonabaso. Well, Dr. Ben Asante, Adia Oyema MPP as a party, then individuals in the party. Oh, Diane, to be honest with you, Papa no dear baby or bia nyanko enhyira no na onim me pese me chia eyam na ewo no no mame because onim eagles gave birth to eagles and yes na in fact me bompa said that me hia no mame no I would really see say which woman gave birth to Yewra Dr. Ben Asante is very fantastic. Doc, baby, will be no pay. Meaning, so also backroom within this week. Baby, will be a Nichia, Yankumpo and Shiro. Jumana, we have Boagana, Yankumpo and Shrepa. Baby, only that should ever be an Yankumpo and for Uncle Drummond. Now, you be breaking it, you breaking it now. Media, Kamina Mia appointment now, meaning baby, I mean, but I am saying. About 80% of the party in Babia will ever say the work. On your life.
Okay. But is it right to say Oba Mubema Nenijan also to make a change same patch of Menijan? And I say because of what the society will say, because of what that individual will say, because of it is not part of our culture. As we Ghanaians, as an African woman, you should wait for a man to propose to you before you can live with that person. And I said, "Fahum."
Then once again, me that say, na no crane say, Africa hana munyina manka say Ghana na say, Africa hanina nanka it was not part of our culture. Say obabe biena no ekachira obema say me pew. Extreme cases ena ebisa etimi is okay. Nemo Emma African women they have several ways of expression your friends say
expressing their love.
Emma Obema.
Okay.
So many ways. Enkania no obeba be frɛ say opa kwese so ewo stream no nti osrew brada kojane onumu okuta pot no instead of obekɔ stream no street no obeba mo fie eba be frɛ sometimes obakrampo na bemma no ye bibia obetina sa twen bemma no uwia na wakɔgya no awo punano na wakosa ensu no fie oh when nyina no it was a form of expression expressing their love towards an individual. Okay. Bie na no nka
but the
obeye no sometimes otumi eba fie ebeboa wo maami amani eye nedwuma bia ewo fie ho no nyinara owia na waka kire wo maami say mesrew ma enusa enko jami. Well, that time no she has already done some work for your mother. The woman will feel so happy to say oh kona ko jano. Well, na wako jano. Sometimes obetima betina mu fie edi nkomo sama late hour and so also coffee now or say asimasi kono ojame otumasi na wakojano. This were the forms are you use to express your love to the other partners. Na yantam die but ewiasi ebe dani ye nti say see emre dani so I was so na this time around, I think a lot of ladies, was that confidence to tell remember say Miss Row me the feel pa honestly nyanka mewaro. It is so simple.
Oh
But
my God.
yeah, I encourage the Ghanaian woman
To do that.
to do that.
Oh wow.
Don't feel say obekwa akoka. After all, musu mu kwa akoka bi.
Yes,
That's the
yeah,
truth.
yeah. After you say Kebi.
Yeah, we boys, and
Yeah.
they were girls.
Yeah.
Who see girl be pet? Obekwa akoka kire na danfo. Anase na danfo so omo ye mienu anase ne so obeka. So, sometimes ni niji.
Yeah.
Eniji na oni kasa. Enye se obeso obu.
Okay.
We know eniji de eniji.
Happiness.
Hey, unim. In fact, chama you say so. Hey, who the say? Hey,
Okay.
Then the friends will advise.
Yeah, it's true.
But if we are film be na na friend no kumasi nyanko. Eno no nti em say nipa bebre omu so say papa sana they don't want to go and see.
Yeah, I would say because if you are now obviously.
Obese ko amo. But say ye be kwa akoka de wo de mu nsi ye pe. Say wo mu pe ye pa de mu nsi. Yes. It is not your fault. You have done your way.
Yes, I've done my
You have delivered.
Okay.
Yes, as a woman, you've delivered.
Okay.
As a woman of value, you have delivered.
Okay.
So, Obama no koka krampona on cannot say or the denigrate too. Debbie, Ebia, any jepa also. Wow, this beautiful girl. Niampa. Let me cry. Let me work plans so, but let me so. Oh, okay. Ebasana.
Yeah.
You just make it easy for
the man. Wow.
Tisane. Musi yepe.
Yes, okay. Tiffany's Akani in Timu. Good. Uncle Wallace, the adorable. Of course, my most adorable papa and none of his son or about Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress. Amani Bukesi NDC. Baby, I make say Uncle Wallace for break a NDC. He says, let's for president. I mean, I don't know if I'll be the president here. Uncle Wallace, make sure you obey your man. And penny for Mubu and NDC. Momodi, Uncle Wallace, move a shame. A dear mammy, and why? Mamma will share no and farm ma or no. Mon no mammy. Are they more than 20 years in every Uncle Wallace? No more school, you know. My baby radio. Uncle Wallace, that's a Juma Emma NDC. What pine. Uncle, Papa, Pacho, Akawa.
Yeah, Diane.
What to say?
Diane, who you are?
Yeah, that's a very yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
What much say, or baby, or one answer, who bear my now open. Obeying the country is open, and I said, yeah, mum, repisa, yeah, culture, you know, need to make.
Lady,
Papa,
Omotimika.
okay.
Omotimika. In a cunning way.
Okay.
Ibia, or noa crowd, Muana Noanka. Who be a down for this abbey manner. What you mean? I can't so down for the managing home. You got the managing home, I just say. What can't know? What can't you? A so personal catch and go on now can't tell from her. Indeed, Madame Fone came my news. And now, oh baby, a pet came my news. No, whom me, Uncle came my news out directly. But chairman, no more feel. Chairman, one come in the city. I can say, or they pin film like Ranga. Team is me who chairman. So I'm about your way, you all come for who you say. Nothing came as soon as Casaka. Nafa.
Senior Bonio.
Nice
one. Uncle Kenny, you know. And see, my lady was someone. Maybe pardon stay in your morning. Let's go straight to Felisa Kai or still one, yes, so mope. Let's Miss So as a Ghanaian lady, Miss So just be bold and propose and survey. But what I say now, or come pop or back in a way, I'm you know, what's here, yes, if you are the bonnet council, but a legit council, I have the meal. Hey, one, I'm maybe another fellow, but I'm going to make count. This is the way on our kind of is that you be an so wow. Yeah, we there straight away. Yanko, yanko so Ghana komo ye bedi and a topic ye beshe and it's a comparing not Jane Opoku and Matthew Opoku Prempeh Honorable. As you know, some kind of say former ministers of education. Minister of Education pen. Now Jane Opoku the running mate for the National Democratic Congress. Amanyuku Kese NDC. His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama, the running mate enono. Ena yen Papa Matthew Opoku Prempeh ono so no running mate edema the new Patriotic Party Amanyuku Kese MPP Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia running mate enono. One me nyina no my ministers of education and no pay these two beautiful personality ye compare woman ebra na omuye ministers of education no one na a modern boy course so no more ye no na say o ma be running mates no sebio comparing them no send a sifa ehu o modern boy na e super and I say e be the na chain bi and I said and I pay mema obi 15 good minutes obi kasa obi mem obi na obi ka bibi na won pa mema we battle of 2 minutes na eja wons no worry battle enti I don't know say me fa start me coach bin sa me come round
don't know about
say dem fa ho
I don't know about
o abemu kra ya dey answer obeta
oh di kamam ni wachi hallelujah no no about di kamam ni wachi chairman hallelujah
and chairman Adaroma 53 minutes after 6 about 15 good minutes comparing them during their tenure as ministers how say a bit greedy or must not see for
That me that's it. Na say matufu just say about a month or two ago.
that's right
But say sa tufuna me tufu no one fire. Aye.
So
And he say mama who say MPP for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia were you ready to become the president of this republic? Ompe honeymoon bia. Makachiro. Okay. Okay, you say you better radio so and I say TV so say. Now we penny or best static kasana and fan ko baby. We are ready. The MPP is always ready. Very, very ready. What must say? Ntina ye Frank Katuni, from Frank Katuni say. Sawusu we ya bemma pa ne yemmegina simpiesu. Mano amano ka nia wo pesa wo ye. Ka nia wetimi aye pe. Na me so min kamidie. Na yanka yenis yenida yenis suade du etu ho. Na Ghana for en bobu mienu na omfa ba. That is how we are. It is the only party, that is MPP, the only party that can win in this nation and make sure changes are always happening in this country. Nemo bia any hobia ye winya any bina ediba. We are ready. What must say? Nti adiwe hear me pa. Mami. Mini NDC bia ebetena ha. Minim sa ukọ mu ho a omo pia bredi. Nti ensuro kura favra me. Always when you are first starting because most of the time we need some car. Into mu pese ye kaya die no. On say ye masters programs and doctorate programs you know. Adi ba ko a fu pa ne critic. Fu keke. What nasi obi ayi na dwene mu creativity bibia na enim kurampo aba. Now I feel what Nasa can say. Oh, nka oh ya nisi ya nanka nka oh ya nisi. And the papa Nti whenever we meet, let me do it. Let them come and do the critiques. What do I say? Na yawra Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh bebi wo bia menim se wo ba ashantiriji bebi wo bia me wura me chiawo menim se you are the next vice president of this republic called Ghana. Bibia ensi kwan efise nyankumpon sign nti miwe ene ye the topic aba say yenye comparison nanka woni maame no comparison bia enem tam anka ye be compare efise you are of two different individuals and two different career fields. Medical doctor, any teacher. Nanka, this one is academician, and this one is a scientist or a medicine person. Until ka uye comparison sana, you may not get it right.
Yeah,
because education side no nyoma pi wo honoma and medicine side is nyoma pi wo honoma. They are not of same measure.
Okay.
So you can't get the value right. Nemo no cre any say omumi no. They did not look at who they are first. They appointed them as administrators.
Okay.
Honomuna yebeye comparison. So we limit it to that. Yama wakunya no uye den. Ufi honomu ena yedi we ebesi sa same akunya no ho. That is idea eda omuntama common. So let's limit it to that. Omo omutie yen. Mamu nkoka say we a doctor ni oye operations in the theater ni they are there be. I have already laid the parameters and the premises everywhere. Nanka say enu sa na efa dia, then there wouldn't have been any comparison between them.
Okay.
Nemu akonya na ye friend of Ministry of Education. Omumie no nyina bete no ho.
Yeah.
And it is administrative.
Yeah.
And yes scientific anya ade a uba betena se na wa use wo career no dey. But onim dia kakra na wo school ye di ma wo na the university master key na ye nyina ye call ya ye gi. Ubetimi atena ba bia, ubetimi ade abie pono bia. That's what they based on. They give them the particular opportunity to be ministers. Now, omumi ni nyina be ministers. Comparison so ni say number 1. Ni odi kan ebeye minister of education. Na onu na ye NDC for omu mami penyin. I am the no mintan Nana Jane opo. Mi mixi any letter
Okay.
essay.
Yes, we cry sometimes. Yeah.
Nti ono no ena di kan ebetena akonya no so. Obetena akonya no so dan. To be honest with you, say you see NDC me biara including John Dramani Mahama entena simpie so na on listing your mama me ye on to me listing. Unless say obe listing e bia me no mienu ye nim.
Adinta.
Ni entena me kasa asem we ni say. Number 1, who dan so wo be churo exams ne. Na say yema wo half a paper krampo. Yema wo 2 pages or na 4 pages o. Say churo ade amame ne ye. Can you be able to write even half a paper? No, yanka no kre. Can you be able to write even half a paper say mame no oyese? You cannot. But say see ka ensama mame no eye eye boni etia Ghana fo. Bet me acho. Because you know only we say teacher training allowance mame na twemu. Mame na twemu. Ni tenure and twemu. She could have gone to advise the president to say, Your Excellency, Miss Rawada, adiwe die entwem. O ye teacher no, mami ni ye teacher no. Na watena se aye hwe ama ya cancel teacher training allowance. Then it say ye ko baabi na bridge wo ho na wo afuru bridge na cross you na wo yi bridge no free on. What do you expect others who are behind you to do? Mintimi nka se e ya abromu. Otuma se mintimi nka se e ya abro. Namu ese abro.
Okay.
Say wo be cross bridge no. Wa cross you no na wo yi bridge no free on. Say omo kan nyina omo nka kire. Ye nya de yesa. That is one of the major things am me ye ya me no mi ye betima aka. Me bo a. Onwa mo na osa cancel nursing training allowance. Onwa na sa cancel ye. Say na ebesi dia nsi. Onu na ma John Dramani Mahama be gina simpie so ka say onu allowance no wa cancel. So obe lose election kra wa cancel. Ampa wa lose election. for canceling that. On say nyankopɔ deɛ if you are arrogant towards God now, adia o ya ne say on say nyankopɔ on see from emeka chiro say nya wo ye no ni nyihu but obesisa wo brabo e de wakotena position ama ohu a chire o to ase ama your thinking ability ebesisa. That is what God has done. Was sister on the mammy nyina say munkotena opposition na obi mu bra. Third one onim yenua a man memma mapunu a omu call school a fee school by ya omu be ye adwuma for 3 solid years. Mamia tenasi e yehwe han se ontua sika no mo. Omu kwa akoye demonstration no e na mame no say obetua mo 3 months. Out of 3 years what you omu 3 months. And no 3 months now omu say omu di kwa court no e na mame no edwane call President John Dramani Mahama e na omu call parliament. Ebe masa adi no be ye mra. Ntu koye demonstration krampotia etia na chese wo tia mra. Can you imagine? They made it a policy. That is the administration of the woman. They made it a policy. Say, Jumana mu here for 3 years. You are cancel. Mupe amunko hell. You are cancel. And now umko the policy. So you can no longer go on demonstration against it. Sana mu here. Then sa nyuma boni we nara eye bonia etia the soul of Ghanaian. I was say ye kasatia. Ghana ni Shasana crumbs here at that time. Now we're here for 3 solid years. Yeah, you decided to pay the person 3 months. Just 3 months. Then 17 months or 19 months now I can. On your day. I want to they have cancelled it. Sorry, 33 months. So 3 years 36 months. 36 months. And all 33 months want to. Then Fanise Krampo ye 200 cities. Multiply 200 cities by 33. Abba. How ungodly can a policy be more than this? NDC for the led by Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman, right? I got it this time around. Onu nana autism so am I yes. Then no kra say you Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe ba ya no. Mamina nkasa ne handing over note or the giant to Ministry of Education or HSA or no mamino na on one number on na kan. It's in the handing over note. Or true when we say when na can be person here meant to me ye. Or true. It's there. Number 1, there was a 33 million Ghana cedis. I was Otia. Emma the implementation of day student she left a debt of 33 million cedis. And she opened up and said, Onu caterers ekwa atwe. Omu kuye, omu pimie, onu aso ontua ene ontua. Adanya or see caterers no, omu fill forms beginning of contract na one fabo. Omu year contract na beji omu sika no or the forms abro say. To say sana amanyo for ediye ya yedi amanyo samiti. Ubetina TV su kasa amagana for nyina hu se wo ye NDC na na se MPP no. Obi kura hwehwe MPP abuno na se NDC abuno. Won hu ne ote no office no. But who are uba TV su ni radio su da bia no onu na onu. So you are the one they see as MPP or NDC. Na ye chiwabu. Nemu edru time a ye teacher post no. Na ye see who go school for certificate bra. O say that is exactly what the woman did to the caterers. And left a debt of 33 million Ghana cedis. That is it fair? It is not fair. And we cheap. Then, you're a Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe buyer. Number 1, or see, mammy, who cancel nursing training allowance? President, me as an administrator say Odimi Akoko say me you money. You restore. Teacher training allowance, what cancel? President, Mr. Wada, you restore. The teachers you have refused to pay, no. President, Mr. Wada, you to na. Who magana ni kwatna say at the bunny and your curse Emma the nation Ghana. Tiampe Koya, Nayamfa Soto. Then or restore near Mammy say any nara. Tiam you near Mammy buy a say any nara or no buy no or CS any he brought it back to send an SCT in Nano. Nursing training allowance, teacher training allowance, the school now, teachers now want training any caterers now want training in Nara was say honing in You're Matu Coco Prempe etia ninara, bringing it back to the status quo. Now, or start to move on in him. Or President Wakacha say, President A, free senior high school, 5 more minutes. Free senior high school now, you promise you, Mr. Wada, young family. President C. A. Mini a doctor Matthew Poku Prempe. Jumawura. Osi ya betima implementing it this year or say, President, we can do it. So we are a nation called Ghana. President, let's do it. Okay. And the president to say, Wuna miduwa kohonomo. Mijiwudi, intena midu kohonomo. Advice bia uwo bia se ebe bua Ghana ni. Enya miwo, Ghana ni bia. Fabremi, na yefanye na Ghana for enya so. Okay. Osi ya implementer. Ya the free senior high school eba. Mami yara. That time no to opposition or see free senior high school 419. Enya dia ebetime ye ne anasechina. Onu watna education ministry onim eka eda honomu etwen asa aban wi. Ye ntimi ntua na nka ye nya sika foforo ade abeye free senior high school. Nti o ma John Dramani Mahama ye advert maku 40 ade atia. Me di video no bae. Na nka me pese me di ma wo producer. Na ombo na Ghana phone nyina se John Dramani Mahama see Ghanaians have small minds and therefore ye enchena Eurafia. Na nka me pese ye bo na Ghana phone nyina ti nia John Dramani Mahama en kasan kai. Or see we cannot implement free senior high school because of the whimsical desire of a desperate politician. But Yaura Matu Poko Prempe say, President, we can implement, let's implement. They implemented. Omu ministers, omu former ministers, omu MPs, and some of Katia free senior high school Nina Mediba. Can produce on Amaya. That is what Dr. Matu Poko Prempe and all the educational facilities are not was a yes. He initiated them. All the problems are creating he made sure say ni rano or sorting out. Okay. So that is the difference between onu any mamino. Obaku ya osaifuo obe say no Obaku eye or near oye ni ye. Eno obe ye ni ye esa at the progression eka. Because we moved from baby and to another level. Unim say wholesale free senior high school. Ghana and Kwana implemented in Africa. Wholesale. Every single corner of this nation benefited from free senior high school. The whole of Africa. That is a visionary administrator. Ultima say, "Nti say see ye hwehwe obi a obeye vice president amani ye awo krom ana." Me sire Ghana for and sign Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Yawura Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe eternity and sign on. I didn't know the number 1. A bimu position ye cranny. Your name say and then more 8 and that's more 7 and that's more 12 and that's more 13.
Say electoral commission so ma
it is the discretion of electoral commission.
And let's wait whether they will present somebody.
That is what I am saying, sir. Their position is even in limbo. Okay. Your name say your kwako 2 man number 8, number 7, number 9, number 12, number 13. Your name. Okay. But as for MPP, who say Yankupo or ye be spiritually answer or be physically. Look, MPP position is not in limbo. It is concrete. Yankupo na ye. Who say Nukred it doesn't move. Nukred doesn't have doubt in it. Number 1 has no doubt. You're a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia number 1. There's no doubt. Sa obi ewu. Sa nipa miensa kurampo lewu. Number 1 no dey the number 1. Who done 7th December na ukwa konokoto abama number 1 onyankopon hyira wo se watie masam se wo kokoto abama number 1.
God bless you. Absolutely. Chief in the sign and Kano. Me papa uncle Wallace and Uncle Sadaroma comparing these two beautiful personalities. 15 minutes.
God, it does see some of my opportunities here in Ghana for a start. Nana Jane Upukwajima, for you the first female vice chancellor of a public university in Ghana, University of Cape Coast, or no Dano, no baby, my vice chancellor of a university. Ewo Ghana had Africa, very few of them. Enti one achievements, the year ma Ghana education, been American. Yeah, na MPP for can some the different senior high school by. There be anya no kre.
Angolas. Asem we dey.
Me ba na American. Me no am believe in publications na di. Me ntimi nkai ni nyina nti ya no afa wo phone no. Me ma wo mo frɛ no address, but title no e bɔ ma wa. Sorry no baba. Mahama to launch progressive free SHS policy today, September 17th, 2015. Now, Ukaya regions are benefiting here, any number of schools in the regions, no. Since Baumia is from the northern region, Mahama is from the then northern region, Meka northern region there. Northern region, no. Northern region, 17,648 students from 45 schools in that region. Upper East, 1,395 students out of 28 schools in that region. Upper West, 877 students from 23 schools in that region. Now, honey, President Mahama launches free SHS, commissions new community day school. Ewo Utuam, Honoko launch adino on the 17th of September 2015. Progressive free senior high school. No launch one sample story or say over 300,000 day students benefit from free SHS policy. August 27th, 2015. Graphic.com.gh. The story is there. 313,000 day students in the starting. And so 313 days students, no. Now, and I'm boy, we free. The following year, 2016, 2017, under Nana Jane Upoku Ajima, the first vice chancellor of a public university in Ghana, progressively free SHS program, 120,000 boarders to benefit. After 313 from 2015, 2016, 2016, 2017, 120,000 boarders. You can be or 450, getting to 450. At that time, no, total number of secondary school students in all public schools in Ghana now 800,000. As they move half, these students and boarders all enjoy free senior high. No be launch no. Nana ado danko ekufu ado ne kan we o. Ono awogitum enie. O say Mahama has demonstrated that free SHS is doable and necessary. Akufu ado. Mahama has demonstrated free SHS is doable. It me yamane ye na ehia akufu ado na ne kan.
But someone implement you.
Eba?
Wama will be a yeka sense and no papa show. Yeka say obia ye bibia ama will be a anyone. And the dead DPFI knew
That is the big mistake we made.
Amma will be at it is a worker yet he obo health insurance is what Bema Papa for. And now Obebo a free maternal Papa for.
No credit.
Samson now Bebo a free SHS. What Bema Papa for do. And he says, Excellent John Domani Mahama. Because on the neck or implement so progressively what is starting from day students. Na kwenye bibi o if you say free SHS papa Akufo-Addo de baeɛ no. Yɛte sɛ yɛ papa so keka ho nsɛm a na kyerɛ sɛ
Diane, me nipa ni yɛka ama omahu. Ko Akufo-Addo na ɛka o. Mahama free SHS, good news for Ghanaians.
Papa Matias o. Enti sɛ nkolanchi ya nkode ba good, good news for Ghanaians. Then why was he, talking against it? Say
he was talking against it. Said the Akufo-Addo no. Or my problems are them. Ebini double track. What will be that? Say you go secondary school, you got 3 months, no better fee. No 3 months, 1 month, no better fee. Na second batch aba 1 month, no better fee. No yaba in the history of education in Ghana. Sano ka say chomo na ye nan kakra na ye obia nko. Meba Akufo-Addo na ka say yo. Mahama free SHS, good news for Ghanaians. Nana Addo.
So now let's look at the compare.
Wonuachi ena meko sana meko. Wonuachi UNESCO, a wing of the Adino, was say UNESCO praises Mahama for introducing free SHS policy. And UNESCO praises Mahama for introducing free SHS policy. And Timbasam will be able to say, and yet Akufo-Addo and the free SHS by Ghana for the first time. Anyone want? Wonuachi na jeno boko aduma na eka say. Na duma oye yen bi na meka.
Okay, Papa.
Marty Opoku Prempe doctor.
Doctor, yeah.
Wono na 2019 okan we no education minister. Or say textbooks not most important in teaching. Na put to minority. The same person here by 2021, 2020, Mahama couldn't buy a single textbook for schools in 8 years. We see textbooks and yet so important. And so see Mahama and Timmy and taught textbook back ama Ghana for in 8 years. Now na jenu book wadjumai. The record back on ye. What's the exams? West Africa Examination Council, comprising Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Gambia, 5 English speaking, no. Omo ye exam na. Afibia no ma hwe omo ya de pa no ma mo award. The 3 best. Na yen hwe 2011 na NDC na woso be na nya mama na nti NDC record mama menka 2011 the best 3 no came from Ghana. 2012 the best 3 came from Ghana. 2013 the best 3 coming here and come be bo in the time no ni ho 2000 and and I mean 2013 exactly 2013 the best 3. 2014 you were the minister for education. 2014 Hassan Miguel Ghana first prize. Bakayi Ghana second prize. Archibald Eniful Henry third prize Ghana. 2015 Jessica Quay Ghana first prize. 2000 ni nyina ye big achievement for her. Wonuachi no
Minister of
Education.
And a woman passiana.
And woman apasia broso the whole of West Africa. 3 best.
In the channel, no. And crying no more idea.
Wo share some woman ye juma my teacher for try dear man correction dear pass come. Best 3 2014, 2015, 2016 under her tenure. Woman nyina na ye. Afeuba elementary school sa de e sa na 400,000 more to benefit from school feeding program under Ghana Genos 400,000 more people and will benefit from the school feeding program. And away, young teacher training. Now, chairman can say or cancel teacher training college allowance. Maybe teacher training college allowance. No, Kwame Nkrumah and Dubai. 1962, 63, 64 thereabout. No, they ama encourage and conform teacher training because that time na and conform ko. One more betray secretary college allowance no MP before.
Are you sure?
Maybe because teacher training in 1969. 69. For a day for training college.
Yeah,
Manya bi. Me na me bay. 69 na me 71. From 1966 a omo ye cool. Say dan ko Abuja tradition. Good. Oni akra no ya Attorney General. Na ye Victor. Oni akra ye political advisor to the NLC. Na ye Professor Kofi Abrefa Buzia. Oni akra ye education minister 1968. Na ye William Ofuriata pa William Kufuado ni ofa. Woman na twa mu 1968.
Okay.
Ti 1969 ameme ko teacher training college no. Manya bi.
Papa.
Manya bi.
Asa madwi mo me na aka.
Ah wadwi mo ye ona ne se. Me se Kwame Nkrumah de bae no. Eye woman na twa mu.
Enti woman de sa de bae.
Rollins 1986. Na Rollins de bae no. E na Kofuo ba na 2001. E na odi quota system bae.
Okay.
Quota na kire se wo agricultural training college me dey allowance no ama wo mu na mbo mfa nipa dodo sei untimi mfa ma no mro sei
So we are with what you
sa na metimi atua nti eventually by 2000 no na 2010 2011 no na Jane any aditina kwa no say policy na Kwame Nkrumah de ba say ebetimi ase nipa nkuna no makọ teacher training college ma nipa no bi akachire.
Okay.
Any say ya de ma school na ya ka che school say ni so fama no bro dudu say enti nipa no bebre ya ka che enti de ebe ne say mum ye nyin free ho na ye ma nipa bebre enko teacher training. That was the idea. Enti eni o say
4 minutes.
good. Government scraps training teachers allowance. Any teachers allowance. Any yes scrap ye no ena Mahama justify withdrawal of teacher training allowance. Na afibia wo mo teacher training college na e wo ho no na ye 9,000 around 9,000. Ye you free ho no e ka say school fa de obetimi afa no e ko 15,000. Enti ye ba ye ne say 2016 no na wo mo a ye post wo mo e na wo ha yi e 16,000 teachers e na ye tumi post wo mo ma o mo ba abontin. Omo de allowance yi ba yi Maham Ade President Kufuado any Baumia na launch here. Almost I introduce quota system. And they say no quota any when more on one Baumia President Nikrum for some ma at the apple. Oh, and to almost I introduce you to the training college allowance, no. I limited the number of students who can enter the training college now.
Okay.
One way ye call Adia University education. University education. And na Jane Austin, Pukwa Jaman. Monshe, University education. On the time, and a University of Professional Studies. Any how pass the University of Professional Studies bill. And our no, and the Eastern Region University, University of Agriculture and Sustainable Development. And our no, and the University of Health and Allied Sciences. And our no, and the University of Energy and Natural Resources. And our no, and the Technical Universities. 8 of them. Oh, and a bar at a time. President Mills inaugurates.
Because time and also.
Jamaica Wanyabi. Your time no new university by the on the time.
Not specifically university by the time. No, what did he do? You cannot compare the two Kakrebi and Sana Akawa minutes.
On the time, no, and say teacher training college allowance or they buy no or side quota system about.
Like any time, no.
So on the time,
that's what Dr.
One way Chino
did.
One way Chino. School feeding for you.
Okay.
School feeding for you na tell my can work. Okay? What say 2,000 and a deal na puneka honey. One more from a school feeding na dino. Head the omoka. You would have to shoot and kill us today and pay school feeding caterers, defy police at Akufuado's house.
Are you sure?
Any. You would have to shoot and kill us today. Okay. And paid school feeding caterers, defy police at Akufuado's house. And then Omuni, will go on a naked demonstration, school feeding caterers to government. Agreed food suppliers. They are not paid. Any. No school feeding caterer has been paid.
Okay.
Oh, and then Napo record no, a badly bad. Angry school feeding caterers picket Akufuado's house over unpaid arrears. So, Entimakase and Nana Jeno. Yenya extra universities. 8 technical universities. University of Health and Life Sciences 9. University of Professional Studies 10. University of Energy and Natural Resources 11. University of Professional Studies Legon 12. Eastern Region University 13. So and so under Napona Mika 2017 to 2021 General for Education Ministry. Not a single university.
Thank you so very much. Chief Minister, you have a rebuttal, right?
What the 3 solid minutes? I was so ending 23. And I only 3 minutes 13 seconds and it's also Miss Ray.
What for 3 minutes?
Now, I mean, rebuttal 2 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, until for 3 minutes on what Madiama Nakahono.
Now, what's for rebuttal? No problem. Near person me bia. One say me the MPP we believe in rule of law. You better na baby na e push na by no e fa so. Yanko. In fact, na me who dream me say well as part of all people. E be ba betina studio ha. Yanko from Misra wada. For me papa Bonichan.
Ada why dey?
Misra.
Why dey?
I am praying to God in all honesty and truthfulness for forgiveness for Miami Brapini. Oh, Sir Wallace, what better studio can the difference and Nasa is Edda Yaura, Dr. Matupoko, any Mami Tem who goka individual achievement. You understand me? If you want to talk about students that have earned things in this country, from Nkrumah government to today, no student in Ghana has ever gone to compete with world powers like US, UK, Japan, and South Korea in the final of anything. Now, it was under Dr. Matu Poko Prempe and the school in Kwana. Free Senior High School, Free Senior High School, Amusi, a 419. No. Omuko, Echo winning world robotics at the back Ghana. The whole world knows that. Are you under MPP? Absolutely. Yes. Free Senior High School, and I may say, just in 2023, Free Senior High School, they pass more than every single student in the whole of West Africa. John Dramani Mahama, Onsuro Nyankumpo and Ferry Ghana for him. Epo Jinasi PSU Kase, Yavia, what do you remember that? Some Kolana Via, until Mubiti, the whole of West Africa. Who but Makasa some way as a former statesman? Abba. What kind of desperation is this for you to denigrate the Ghana as a whole? Say ya Yamankola everything the whole of West Africa. Why do you do that? I don't know where Kasan. At least, Saudi Ghana, who were Ghana will come. At least, nobody will hold my Eya Unka. Unkwada ko passing exams beating the whole of West Africa now. No, Otimoka say Nipa Miansana the best in 2015. Nipa Miansana Africa. This time around, the whole West Africa. Yeye diano no mo passes no piara. Ene ya bo omo abasu no nipa nyensa wo. Ya bo omo abasu, ya bo Ghana abasu as a nation. In fact, one of the examiners from Gambia, eka say sana nkwada no esi e passi ye no na eye to say like omo adwino like a water omo adwino be like they answered as matured people. Essence say you introduce idea your friend with STEM education. Ama unkolana idea practical. No longer theoretical or reading, no more no. They went to the exams and used their personal examples and write and explain with diagrams and pass very well. John Dramani Mahama Bejina CPSU Kase Ghana we are pass. That the award na yedi Ghana no. Nkayanchi award inside. How can you do that as a former president? Statesman, Ghana. Now you want to become the president of Ghana and say Ghanaians are thieves. That's exactly what he said.
Did he call Ghanaians?
Me see, once you said Diane, what is the meaning? That is a point.
So don't you steal?
Oh, Diane, when you are poor, when you are passing exams, what do you call it? Apono, if he was part of exams, Apono means why introducing foreign material into the exams? I'm a wapas. Yes, sanity. Nti John Dramani Mahama say Ghana for your bomb. Adi aye timi ye say ye. Oh, then. Hey, sana. Look, don't play to the gallery of NDC. Mr. Wada. Look, nipa be in the hair. They have their own time aye. You gave me 3 minutes to top it up. Then the 2 minutes to do the report. My year the 3 minutes, 2 minutes now I cannot. What's I just 17 seconds from that Emma explained. I shouldn't have explained this time. Mr. Wada. Eya yandi setadia no to na ye political program here. Na I didn't know what my me do who ya. Do who ya. Na mami fama no pensi. Na Yeura John Dramani Mahama. Then bia no bia bet me akogina be bia kase on na introduce face. Except say in the situation whereby nipa na all catch omo say on na introduce face na omo amfa omo ti anko sa gadan. Sa wo ja ofi oti awofie na wakogina ho no mo obetime akasa asem na kire. Where will you go and say John Dramani Mahama where onipa kura na o say ye 419 no e ya ade a entimi sida ono wan introduce anything like that. Then also we are why a progressive free education. There is nothing called free when you are paying something. Nothing on this earth is called free when you are paying half and I'm paying half. And I said when you are even paying 80 or even 99 and I'm paying 1, it is not free. Can you call it free? You know that the free senior high school was introduced by Nana and the doctor. Any doctor. You can't do that. If you do that, it's like you are now you catch it up. Say after all, they said it in plain language. Say Ghanaians have small mind. That's exactly what John Dramani. But Ghanaians must show that we are not small minded.
Let's look at the challenges. You know,
under Nana Jane Upokwadi. And he started 123 community day Sunday school. Okay. You see that? Okay. And we finished. And we finished 46 of them.
No. Rebuttal. You two says you want to do
rebuttal. We finished 46 of them.
You did rebuttal.
Now 46 no.
And it's also doing.
Emu engoche. Ewo northern, upper east, upper west, whatever region. Ebini. Lugu community day Sunday school. Ewo east.
What?
Zulugu Community Day Secondary School, Binduri, Daboya Community Day Secondary School, Wapuli Community Day Secondary School,
what?
Kanjaga Community Day Secondary School, Zuarungu, Bolga East, Maku, and what trick any real ya Nipawum on one in Northern Region of America. One watching MPP for under Napoleon Upoku Prempe, and one cancer. MPP to build 350 senior high school if party wins 2016 election. Flag back. So I will build 350 SHS in my first 18 months. Now, Baumiani, MPP will build 350 SHS. Baumia, 350 SHS, no, under Matthew Opoku Prampen. How many they have built so far? Onwachi, Matthew Opoku Prampen. Exactly. Ehiyami utumran watch this year. Under Matthew Opoku Prampen as education minister, Onio was say insurance for teachers soon. Government insures all the workers. Or insure the teacher for say, hey, Berman, that day, GES suspends deduction from teachers' salaries after agitation. Teachers in Kumasi against imposition of GES insurance and the program to Wonuachi National Service for Wasimuso Yaya Insurance Amamo. Intiha NSI Personnel Petition Insurance Fund.
You're coming next stop.
Wonuachi no.
Uncle me that say for 2 minutes now, so what Daroma. You share the challenges in the 2024 SHS replacement. You know, I bet you say Obi Oha now only day students. And so now replacement now sorry or Tipumasi.
That's right.
Now your station will be a maker say if you just say me baba ko Mrs. Tabakoba or if you just secondary school. So if
A fiscal.
if you just say in no obi o Tipumasi over here no na
Any day.
any day. It is no ma we nyina no ebeboa no ma me fast starting flow so chief no sir. Let's go to challenge.
Me da say.
The baby 45 and see check time no. It will be after 6 minutes. Why?
Okay. Me ND 43.
Aye, no
That's-
so could be 50.
Okay. Okay, you 50 then no one 7.
That's also be 42.
Be 42.
What the call na time no ni way.
Dan. Empren P no. Yenya akunya say ye baba be kasa. Yema ye kasa ho enti. Na yemfa obu eni ne die ema omo eya omutie yen. Na ya yeti hei ema baako ena owe yentem. Ono na the adorable beautiful Diane, Lady Diane. Na wo be gina studio ha na wo ka say ema mienu na ti studio ha. Omo hwe ye no wo yi a omo no.
Na no from pacho.
Sa wo say
Na
ema
no-
mienu na ti studio ha. Ensam na wo ka no. Na che say wo pa che say omo hwe ye no. E wo say ye kwa review omo ani o.
Pacho na no for you.
Me can dey.
Na
Angolas.
yekoyenim. School placement we no. There's no way system no because some way na ma explain it. There's no way system no ebe piki obi. Na system na nkasa deliberately na oni akuni tikumasi na system na di na ko wale.
So then the cost.
Me ko no. E di na ko wale. Esa ye no day.
Okay.
There be. Before ye bet you see schools no. E ya booklet bi eka ho na e di ma awofo.
Okay.
Misra wada se uya awofo na untumi nkenkan. Emma schools na ya chro no take you by surprise. Now what to see near and the names based on the names of the schools now would choose. Ebimu ni omu yene say they go onto the net and check say which schools are graded what. Now or their filling forms no. Oh yes, Anna. Some of the schools have names,
Okay.
big names, but they are only day schools or they are only men or only ladies.
Okay.
Into Ushamu sana now they are selected schools in Moba. And most importantly, the first 5 na ya choose no. And we 6 bisu ewo. And ya why doing say first 5 no ubano at least one of them must pick him or her. And you must. One of them may pick him or her. But if none of them pick, the remaining 6 now, why do you not also and no would run to say piano? And no sometimes. That is where the problem is. And the GS for a move to my ear. Meaning say you need to do this explanation very well. Answer for a choosing. Because people concentration are always on the first 5 now.
Yeah.
Or choosing. Or choosing the remaining 6 also who they choose bia. Who choose bia no. Now who they facile now wako piki a man school abra ubano ye bema. Now wako piki bema school abra ubano ye oba. You see? So Uyasana, you are the one who has put it on your form. Okay. The system doesn't go and pick outside form now would be by. Because Sawunim says system no a bet me 11 now feeling in a bet me reject too. Internet the 104,488 students now get placement. Let us say 11 now or choosing na obianfa. So why will you assume say 5 now who pick for the first one? And yet there are a big fan. That's where the problem is. It's a possibility. So anytime I feel form, no, yeah, why do you say schools now who feel why a money now coding no? Sometimes class schools be with Honoma. Dean say SDA senior high school, SDA senior high school, SDA senior high school. Misra mo SDA for media efato Misra. SDA senior high school. Now work of SDA senior high school. Ukwana work of code school code no. Na school code no ye SDA school a ewo wale. Na wo so think cry. System no be pick that place na edu be ko SDA wale. Abra wuti akra. The code you will use the name SDA fine. But code no work of school code wrong code.
Okay.
The system will place you somewhere.
Okay.
Sana de no eti. Nti cheche mu pray ewo on my was say GS for a year omuye answer. Don't just give the booklet to them without explanation. If he say enye ye nyina na etimi e school. Sabi me mama anko school. Oh. Me what manam for be pray amunko school. I have helped some whilst I was in Accra to be able to fill the forms. But who the book ni ja almost na just to make sure they get all the 11s now. First 5 now, they are falling on the remaining 6 now. See choose and they will pick who pick ya. I don't know Eddie no be copy. Yeah, explaining say oh yeah Jimmy back or since there be and yes a system no kurji robot. They design it to say do it this way when the person himself has instructed you to do. And no.
Okay.
The system doesn't do anything that Awufo are instructing himself. There be system no. So if all the 11, the school, all the 11 arm Koowaa, why do you say it is possible that the first 5 no it will be an answer? Don't just say once you have concentration is on. In fact, every their concentration is on the first, second, and third. There can you also find there can be a shame na yanko. Oh yeah, be a shame na yanko. First 3 now for what? They are likely to pick. When they pick you, that is the problem.
Thank you so much. Uncle.
Yeah. You wait a message now, and 31st. Or try first, second Saturday. We near be a free more in a year Jamasi.
Jamasi what?
Agona Jamasi here, Mampon Kwaisu. I like your bus, and if you are chroma. Tia Momodi. And now, 9th of November, so don't pass it. Madame for be a minute and your contact, and also Sunami, a jar, Kodu, on Sunny Mammy. A few more, Mammy Dog Quatima. No, so ye in a year, don't pass it. Free senior high school posts 2024-25 and the challenges. Okay, Adi Ohaya, or say 2024-25 school placement. 447,698 students gain automatic admission. That's Education Ministry, like I said. And Koda Mutro exams ni na no 563,000. Around that. 563,000.
553.
And a total of 553 qualified. And you say 553 a Troy. 563,000 and a Troy and a 553.
Okay.
A qualify.
Good.
This is ridiculous.
Why is it ridiculous?
10,000 affiliate. 563 and a 553. 10,000. When Makoda was 44, aggregate 44. I walk out Sunday school. Walk ahead. Aggregate 44. Best 6. 40. Aggregate 44 on your placement. Meanwhile, aggregate 17 in your placement. Challenges no be no. Aggregate 44, your placement in person both school. But aggregate 17, me free her, me copy man. How that imaginable? Say 563, no 553, 10,000, and I aggregate 44. Akodano nyakoda so ko secondary school. Sanka ye school fees and I'll be aggregate 44. Aggregate 44 no. Say 6 Aba. Aggregate 44 no best 6 no. 7777 times 6 equal 42. 77777 times 6 equal 42. It when you 777 and when you 88. Challenges no be no. One wachi also my place say 447,698. Double track. And what will be that we are say the release results kwesiada 26 as na ukwada enra yes akwara report adi for school how results no such an no so report on Wednesday enra chi no enra no na placement no mayo placement no by eduada banade ya ene so report on ra what will be that e wo wi ase ya Ghana ha say enkoda amakwai Monday 28th of October. Yes, I report to school. You are European on the 30th of October on Wednesday. That is the proof one for you. Omo come from 2 no. Omo ma quite 28th from 1 to from 2. Omo quite Monday 28th October. Omo report to Wednesday 30th of October. That is the proof one for you. Huh? Minimum kwada. Ya posuno. Ednako School for the Deaf and Dumb Akupon Akuapi. Emra wan chusu o, emra wonye deaf, onye dumb. So, minimum koda school share dey buy nyina no, wono kra dey all filling the form of am, me na na fill bibia 6 plus 1 when omo fill for 6. First 5 no, chusu we 6 2 no ma be by compulsion a day school. 6 na fill nyina pa me dey ba kire ya yo. When ya 6 no ba konkra and she supposed to go school a one fili. School a one choose you. Ya supposed to go 6 no feeling ya no. Ya supposed to go adi school a one fili. Meanwhile, ababi edna konsa ko any day. Kora wa ko school Kumasi ha. On first school so around ya amfa no ba konkra. Ne edna ko school I wa encline as a day student. I mean, what sort of thing is this?
Computer to me mistake.
Computer na a mistake. Not the over punch at 2 no deba. Computer doesn't make a mistake. The old demand no and odeba. In Tiakodano or Kumasia, Wafa schools around Kumasi and Ashanti. Ye posuna, let no concrete. School a one foul. Yes, I need day. Nanado Danko Kufuado, Nkwani Bomia government, and a side we Ibishi that. Nah, Minister for Education. As you say, and 6 minutes. As well. And the way thank you, partner.
48, yes, 6 minutes.
43, we 44. Minister for Education said, don't rush to cancel the double track. Don't rush to cancel the double track. What is he saying? Don't rush to cancel the double track, no? Or come out MDC for. That's what you because so know what Timudia, he won't cancel it. In Duka say you don't have to rush to cancel it. Yan can say a day. Let's say double track, no? You be year free.
Okay, me
a car ben never first year free. 123 community days in the school say CC be a Kaurama or German account. Ye ba, ye be reading in an year in Koda. If you cry a way and so on post in Panko. One good example, a drop on so community days in the school. As we speak, school is your Nkonya wom bibia the ama NPP ni bi wo ho and or their warehouse. Drop on so for me boy am franka. The ama NPP and or their warehouse. Oko Cape Coast to Bekwai to Cape Coast Kwano. There were 3 schools. We don't say. There were 3 schools. There were Apaga Community Day Center School. There were Fumsu Community Day Center School. There were Komnakwa Community Day Center School. There were and Obwasi Kwano. Wow. Young friend Panko. Meanwhile, school is your area. Those schools in Uposum Kodakova. Double track then. Say a sort.
May I say, 0202668461. 02026681. Friend me. 0202668461. You didn't come more. Was so bra na be comparing, Matthew Poku Pepe and then of course
Nana Jane Pokwajima.
Hello, good morning, caller.
Dan, good morning.
Good morning, Regan. Let's have by
Dan,
one of pay.
Dan, kakra meka ne say, schools in the semi. Can share with you say, said the entity in the and no side the case in there said the ma abofo. The imitate from we say schools now we choose no way a day, way seriously. Yan church from we pa and mumba because the church from we and our phone so the one from because we choose schools. We are one and papa program there, Emma. And they papa to work and the end to work and there. You see, a dear how and a diaba. Church them another a quite person first was animal before. Young money part of the case you want to say na yeah before. Somehow we to take them in there. Diane, let me show.
Let us say also be to my friend 0202668461 0202668461 friend Ijem Kof. Hello, good morning. Hello. 020. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Wadaruma, Udin baby, a friend is free.
Papa Diane, from Eric, make us free. I have from him.
All right. Eric, Wadaruma, into
you. Na, your bomb abasonate my part of the amoy. Na, Uncle Wallace, Miss Ren. Omo and Papa be Omo cancer the beer because the convention I'm to have a support to Mukaka. Na ya Omo ya intro na me pese me busa no question go no betime ya no ama me. Pese me busa say MPP co-opposition 20 years na abana. Same time me can say so my pay that mama si free teachers the be ya 20 years echi. Na o ska bi say ya on fanya say free teachers no. Da bia Uncle Wallace be team so a e no no de bae e no mu na de bae papa ma tina from tech. The Baba be TV station so. Omo mu kan no kure na bi tipo nya ntro na di bu man. Ya de no kure na bu man. E da machine no bon bi kini so abaso.
Thank you so very much. 0202668461 0202668461 be part of the conversation. Because the man so na ye ko frame na yeah sorry. Hello, good morning. 0202668461 Hello, madam.
Me pacho, good morning, Dan.
Good morning, my dear.
Me pacho, uni abanti mi kase fi menchiano. Akosi kwedu, yeru akosi kwedu mpochu aso. Me chiano na no pebebi akosi wobi akosi kwedu obo adwuma wo menchiano, obo adwuma pa. Obo adwuma me chiano bebi obi me menchiano constituency empanyifo nyina. Dan me de masamo no. Na Dan. The man of the do baby I show ye. Me kind am a victim. I want me bound. Me bad day. I need brain to name choose school. Okay. The choose school. And no photocopy na me banny your brain. Then one person else I used to send it here. Name me first choice na unfortunate. The real to me your first you want to write ma the first choice emblem mummy. The school ne ba na me kochi ya. Asante achim na me ba me konyaye. Pepa na mo ehehe nti edu bebi a wo kono so yema yeni na ho. Yema yeni na ho pa dam. Ochia mo pa na anopai. Na ndi tuni ne de won kan hu se ye de wo mo se fom. Awa pa de la lai. Ya wo mo ntini ye Ghana. Ghana yakofo anya ama ndi ti. Wo ya ma MPP. Nti ye ne wa adwempa. Ochia mo. Ochia obi a nyame hye ye se
Auntie me that's papa pa for last caller na yembe wrap it up. Na yamano ebi mo ehye ho. Yeah, what me akwatena se achocho de e mama. The copy.
So what's in the body? Sanibody MPP ni MPP for that no dey.
MPP. Koowaa.
Nobody MPP ni. Sa no mti o. Ombe yo wakazire sisi ya.
Koowaa so akra na kochocho MPP.
Anya MPP ni.
Hello, good morning, last caller. Oh, hello.
Hello, good morning, Diane.
Good morning, killer. Wrap it up, my name, quick.
Yo, Diane. I'm
Oh,
Damn.
Fela. Okay, last call amra kasimenu na yeko. Last call amra na yemfa de aka no wrap because me say me more 1 minute and so mo. Say more 2 minutes. Last call amra befa one name.
Hello,
Hello
good
caller,
morning.
good morning.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Great. What are my eating?
So, Mpacho Adikano, hello.
Oh, don't listen to yourself.
Hello.
Why? Yoko.
Mpacho Adikano, Nyamisha, Papano, Andy, Wallace, Nyamisha, no, Omanu, Quentipi. I'm picking for Nakasano, Omupano Koreka. I'm picking for Nakasano, Omupe and Koreka. I'm sorry, no Mufechi. Omun Kada. The airport was Ghana Hano Biahu. In the 2024 election, we did a comma John Dramani Mahama. Kianiki, Obeba. Ghana for your ble. Ghana for your blankata.
Medasi papa nyankopo onshao ye papa baby. Angry
Dan. Oh, say your friend CCI or still bender. Now, still bender. Who kwejuma na wako ye still bender na. So baby. So when ombre wagana. Yeah, ye ko market ekosuya kaya ekosuya ni makaya. Yes, you bread. So wako ye still bend juma aba. Uhu nyina bio. Wo see Ghana for your bread. When ombre wagana. So we are juma pakram juma pankwa de ubebre unless we pese o ka say Ghana for omo small miner o ko dada of which power na dan era hu asempa say menu apanyi Wallace
Why then?
Some be look, education is very very important. Onu a we teacher ni a o teach what teaching so many years.
Yes.
One name say school placement and selection no. You're selecting 11 or 36. It's 11. The first 5. The last one in the first 5 must be a board a day. Compulsory. Then Enuchina was selected 6. Nipa na here what TV so. They will tell they will what I'm in some American omunim. Now see what selected 6 was selected. Who grandpa we teacher for so many years. You see that you yourself you have made mistake. Akwadaa no who feeling 6 months now I'm feeling up to the 11 now. Or the coach who I ever can say, see the remaining one for the baby shisha on. Near all the shisha on who was out here. A banner sa akofan was our schools now. Now who better TV so say, who know selected 6 no one them was 16 now be answer. You will select 11, not 6.
Okay.
On check it.
Thank you. I call us here.
Damasi. Mem ni o kasa se mi twan pro. Entro kwa mi twan no waka. Na mbem hwe 1990s na ba mem secondary school. Abusan in ho. Yen NDC for na dia abusan ba mem secondary school. Se me bo Africa. Akwasi kwan do ye adwuma, ma me no kasa no ye adwuma pa. Na mo bridge na I free tafo e ba mo ho no. Onye no onye bridge no. So ono achi MPP for ye omo opposition. Omo kasa ndahwe de omo kan. I'm sorry for the insult.
Back to the book again.
Intimidate. No, I'm sorry for the insult. Intimidation. Apology to Mahama. I will apologize to Mahama. I haven't been fair to him. Can I Japan like I say? Why? Captain Smart apologized with Don Mahama on live TV. Satawale burst into tears. Needs to apologize to Mahama. And very massively apologizing to Mahama over Papa's song.
For the national
Also,
and Uncle Nisa I shall say your communication team member for the new patriotic party MPP. Mama saying na yeda master. Mama the message by mankind. Kama-san, thank you. Sorry I couldn't read your message. Forgive me. And all of you. Madam production feeling in our say famous Adom and I say Kobe. Now, enjoy your day. We did it.